How to pay with Patreon with debit card. So once you've logged into the account that you want to link your credit card on, so what you're going to have to do is go to the left side of your Patreon website. In the app, it should be the same process. As long as you follow this one, you should be able to get to the payment methods. So in order to get to the payment methods, all you have to do is go to your settings over here. Of course, you gotta wait for it to load. And as you can see here on my email, for some reason, just go ahead to your more section over here and then your payment methods. So in your payment methods, there's gonna be the add payment method over here. Just press on that, and as you can see, there's either a PayPal or card option. So if you want to put in your debit or credit card, all you have to do is put in the name on the card number, the MYY, the CVV, and the billing postcode, and press on add, and your next transaction should be by using your card, debit or credit. But that pretty much depends on what you'll choose. If you do have multiple, hopefully this video does help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.